Welcome back to Savvypreneurship. In this segment, I'm diving into the world of public relations and exploring how to leverage it to raise your company's authority, build relationships with key audiences, and take your business to the next level. Let's get started. If you're new to this channel and would like to learn savvy ways to excel as an entrepreneur, then you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Public relations, or PR as it's known, also referred to earned media versus paid media with advertising, is all about managing the reputation and perception of your company in the eyes of the public, media, and other stakeholders. It's about building credibility, trust, and positive relationships with audiences through strategic communication and storytelling. So, how can startups and small businesses use PR effectively to achieve its goals? Public relations is a powerful tool that goes beyond traditional advertising and marketing. It's about strategically managing your company's reputation, visibility, and relationships with key stakeholders. By leveraging PR, you can establish authority and credibility. Securing media coverage, speaking engagements, and industry recognition can position your business as an expert and thought leader in your field. Strengthen relationships. PR allows you to connect with your target audience, industry influencers, potential partners, and other key stakeholders, fostering valuable connections. Amplify your brand. Effective PR can help you craft and communicate your brand's narrative, increasing awareness and resonating with your audience. Drive business growth. Ultimately, strategic PR can lead to increased leads, sales, and overall business growth by enhancing your company's reputation and visibility. To harness the power of PR, you'll need to develop a comprehensive strategy. Here are the key steps. 1. Define your PR objectives. Start by clearly defining your PR goals, whether it's to increase the brand awareness, position your company as an industry leader, or drive more qualified leads. 2. Identify your target audience. Understand who your key stakeholders are, including potential customers, industry influencers, media outlets, and strategic partners. 3. Craft your compelling narrative. Develop a strong, consistent brand message that resonates with your target audience and sets you apart from the competition. 4. Leverage media relations. Build relationships with relevant journalists, bloggers, and industry publications to secure valuable media coverage and thought leadership opportunities. 5. Amplify your reach. Utilize a mix of tactics such as press releases, guest articles, speaking engagements, and social media to amplify your PR efforts and reach your target audience. And finally, 6. Measure and refine. Continuously track the performance of your PR initiatives and make adjustments to optimize your strategy for maximum impact. By leveraging the power of public relations, startups and small businesses can raise their company's authority, build relationships with key audiences, and ultimately take their business to the next level. So, don't underestimate the importance of PR in your overall marketing and branding strategy. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more savvy tips and strategies for startup success. Until next time, stay savvy.